Hello everyone, I'm Theo, one of the Smart Lessons students, and today I would like to introduce to you my favorite pasta recipe, a recipe that, after watching this video, I hope you'll love too. First of all, I want to mention that without the English courses with Christina and the long homeworks, sometimes really long, I definitely wouldn't have been able to present to you this recipe in English, so I want to thank Smart Lessons team with this occasion. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need: an onion, any type of ham, from smoked ham or whatever type of meat you have around. For example, I have here turkey breast, cheese, from Parmigiano to simple cheese, it doesn't really matter, sour cream, an egg yolk. Yeah, I know this isn't an egg yolk, but it will be after we separate the egg, olive oil, and of course pasta. For today's recipe I chose fusilli. The first step is to boil the pasta in a saucepan for about 10 minutes. The second step is to chop the onion and cut the meat into pieces. Then put a little bit of olive oil in the frying pan and add the chopped onion. Fry the onion for 2 minutes at low heat before adding the meat. Then stir it all and leave it for about 5 minutes. The pasta is ready, the meat is ready, so the next step is to add the pasta in the sausage pan with a little bit of pasta water, just for the flavor. Then we have to stir it all very carefully. Now for the sauce, we have to separate the egg first, then add sour cream, grated cheese, Parmigiano, and some pasta water as well. You can add here spices too. I personally don't like the taste of too many spices, so I'm gonna go only with salt, pepper, and pasta spices mix I bought from a supermarket. Now add the sauce to the pasta and mix for a few minutes at low heat. And finally, it should look like this. The smell is amazing and I hope you'll try it.